Switches and lighting controls Takeoff. Starting on the Takeoff screen, let's make sure we have selected the correct job, the correct vendor, and the correct labor that we wish to use. In the phase dropdown, let's select the phase we wish to be in, which would be Switches/Lighting Control. At the bottom of the screen, we see the assembly item catalogs. Everything in this area is selected with a single click. Under Switch, we'll select MC cable. Under Metal Stud/Bar Joist, we'll select a 1-gang single pole switch. Since this is a commercial building, we would choose commercial grade 20 amp single pole switch. Next, the Assembly Groups window appears. This is where we enter more specifics for our assembly. For the plate, we would choose a plastic plate. For the plaster ring, we would choose 5/8 rise, and for the MC cable, we would choose 12/2. Once all selections are made, we click Takeoff. The Quantities window appears next. We'll start in this area by adding a comment so that we can better identify this particular switch. We'll call it a 20 amp single pole switch. We then click over to the number pad to enter our quantities. In this case, we have 30 of these switches for my 2-wire cable length. I will set that to 20 and then click Enter Prompt. We will then close the library windows at the bottom by clicking the red X button until the red X goes away. Now, back on the Takeoff screen, line 1 shows the comment that I typed in earlier. The comment line will never have a material unit or a labor unit. Line 2 shows the original name of the assembly and is marked by the red rectangle icon. This will also never have a material unit or a labor unit. Line 3 is the actual device. We can see that I have 30 of them. The cost is $2.88. 288 times 30 equals $86.40. The labor unit is 0.18. 0.18 times 30 is 5.4 labor hours. It's given me the plate that I asked for, the box, and it's given me the plaster ring that I've asked for, and more. In the next example, I will go to the bottom of the screen, and then go under the Switches column and take off some occupancy sensors. Single click on occupancy sensors. It is an occupancy sensor ceiling mount using an EMT, so we'll single click that. EMT occupancy sensor, single click. The Assembly Groups window appears again. For the plaster ring, we will choose a 5/8 rise. For the EMT connector, we will choose the EMT steel set screw. For the EMT coupling, we would choose an EMT steel set screw coupling. When done, we'll click Takeoff. Again, we'll enter a comment in the Quantities window. Then we will click on the number pad. For the first line, we'll enter a quantity of 2 and click Enter Prompt. For average feet per device, 20 feet. Enter Prompt. For device boxes, we'll enter 1 and then click Enter Prompt. For number of wires in the pole, we'll enter 2 and click Enter Prompt. We'll close the library windows like before, and again, we can review our results on the Takeoff screen. Thanks for watching this Conest tip video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more tips and to keep up to date with Conest software systems.